Welcome to House My Home. Do you have a small bathroom and feel stuck on how to make it look stylish and spacious? You're not alone. Many homes have compact bathrooms, but small space doesn't mean you have to sacrifice design or function. In this video, we're sharing 25 small bathroom design ideas that can make your space feel bigger, brighter, and much more inviting. Let's dive right in. First, stick to light colors. Shades like white, cream, soft gray, or pastels can instantly make your bathroom feel open and airy. Light colors reflect light, giving the illusion of a larger space. Second, go big on mirrors. A large mirror does more than help you get ready. It reflects light and makes the room feel almost double in size. It's one of the simplest tricks to open up a small space. Third, try a floating vanity. Wall-mounted vanities create visual space and give the floor more breathing room. Plus, they look modern and sleek. Next, consider a wall-mounted toilet. These save precious inches because the tank is hidden inside the wall, and they give a cleaner, more minimalistic look. Still using a shower curtain? Upgrade to a clear glass shower door. It allows the eye to travel further, creating an open and seamless look. When it comes to storage, think vertical. Install tall shelves or floating cabinets to take advantage of wall space without crowding the floor. If you can, use a sliding door or pocket door instead of a traditional swing door. These doors are space savers and give a sleek, modern vibe. Recessed shelves are another brilliant idea. These are built directly into the wall and are perfect for storing toiletries without eating up space. Use hooks instead of towel bars to hang towels and robes. Hooks take up less room and can be installed behind doors or on narrow walls. Choose a compact sink or a corner sink. They do the job without taking over the whole bathroom. Now, don't shy away from pattern, just use it wisely. Think small tiles, vertical lines, or soft geometric designs that add texture without overwhelming the space. Add a little greenery. A small plant can bring life to your bathroom. Go for humidity-loving plants like pothos, ferns, or snake plants. Stick to minimalist fixtures and accessories. The simpler the design, the cleaner and more spacious your bathroom will feel. Make use of awkward corners with corner shelves or corner storage units. Every inch counts in a small space. Lighting matters a lot. Try layered lighting. Ceiling lights, vanity lights, and even LED strips under shelves to brighten every corner and create ambience. For the walls, use textured tiles in neutral shades. They add depth without making the room feel busy. Want something unique? Use a ladder towel rack. It leans stylishly against the wall and holds multiple towels while saving space. Opt for multi-purpose furniture. For example, a vanity with built-in storage or a mirrored cabinet, both functional and space-saving. Go for clear or acrylic accessories. A transparent soap dish, storage bin, or stool won't clutter the look visually. Don't forget the back of the door, a perfect spot for extra hooks, racks, or even a small shelf unit. You can add personality with a feature wall using patterned tiles, paint, or peel and stick wallpaper. Just one wall is enough to make a stylish statement. If you want a clean, luxurious look, go for a frameless glass shower enclosure. It's modern, elegant, and perfect for small spaces. Install a mirror cabinet. It serves as both a mirror and hidden storage for your daily essentials. Also, declutter often. Keep only what you use daily visible and store the rest. Less stuff, more space. And finally, don't forget the small touches. A soft rug, scented candles, a simple piece of art. These little details make your bathroom feel cozy and uniquely yours. And there you have it, 25 small bathroom design ideas that are easy, functional, and beautiful. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more home design tips, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.